Hello there. I'm your credit guard on duty at Universal Recovery Consultants. Ever felt like bad credits got you drowning? High interest rates gnawing at your paycheck, or the lack of access to loans and opportunities, like buying that dream home or new car? Fear not. I'm here to help you conquer even the toughest of waves. We stand up to those negative items on your credit report. Our goal? Getting your credit score back on solid ground. With Universal Recovery Consultants, restore your credit and reclaim your peace of mind. Call us today at 210-809-6294.